dwarf hamster is on my hand. You know why? Because she's mine.
No,
Yeah.
Mine.
No, it's mine.
Liar.
No, I bought her. He got him, and I bought her. And you notice that we're saying her because she's a chick. Duh. Don't you notice the whiskers? Right now. The reason why I'm holding her like this, so she does her little trick. Hold on. Oh yeah, by the way, there's also a Russian dwarf hamster with red eyes, which was called albino, which is weird because it was all not even a little bit white. Now then, hold on, I'm gonna give it to my other cameraman. There you go. And the cameraman's Spitfinder212, and this is from my page. And his page, we're known as the Leprechaun Pets. I don't get why you said that name. But the reason why my name is Leprechaun Man and the Leprechaun Man. What you gonna do? Right then. Oh crap! Oh, my. Why you do that, bitch?
Dude, we got it on camera.
Why you do that, bitch? Hold on. I see your teeth. I want to see your teeth.
Crap, fell down. Oh yeah, guys. People who are watching this. Crap, fell down. People that who are watching this.
Oh crap, they're yellow.
Do you want to find out how to make the special effects of drop? Okay, this is how you do the special effects of drop. You put your hand out, palm, whatever. Put level, you try to do whatever, whenever. It drops, boom, to the hand.
And then I do this.
To the face!
To the face.
Ooh, what you gonna do? You can't do none, little girl. Can't do. Oh!